Well, it has been such a gorgeous day to get outside because of the temperatures being more mild, and the dew points have been sitting in that pleasant range. It has been gorgeous across the region, and we still have some really nice conditions in place. Dew points will remain in the pleasant range as we head into the start of the week, but then towards the midweek, you will notice that moisture increasing as our next cold front pushes through, and then behind that front, dew points will be dropping off into the 40s and 50s, and that's also going to be impacting our rain chances as well as our temperatures. So we're looking to stay dry for the start of the week. As that front moves in, we'll have rain and storms across southwest Florida, and then behind it, we will have very dry conditions in place. Also, take a look at these temperatures. Going to be sitting a couple degrees above seasonal for the start of the week, and then after that front, temperatures dropping off into the 70s when we should be in the low 80s for this time of the year. Right now, temperatures sitting low to mid 70s across southwest Florida. Not seeing any rainfall on Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar, and really this is going to be the trend for the rest of this evening and over the coming days. Now, over the next couple of hours, could see a few passing clouds overhead, but we really will see that cloud cover increase as we head into our Sunday. We're looking at a mix of clouds and sun, but still looking to stay dry throughout the day. Just a few more clouds than what we experienced today. Temperature is going to be starting off in the upper 50s and low 60s, actually right on our seasonal average of 62 for Fort Myers, 61 in Port Charlotte, and 63 in Naples. Into the afternoon, just a little bit warmer than seasonal with a high of 84 in Fort Myers, when we should be at 81, 85 for Babcock Ranch, 85 in Ave Maria, and 83 degrees for your Sunday afternoon in LaBelle. So here's a look at what we're still tracking in the tropics. Tropical storm Sarah. It is going to fizzle as it works its way over Central America, over the Yucatan. Just that terrain going to cause it to really break apart, as well as losing the fuel of the waters of the Western Caribbean. So it's not going to be posing a threat to us here in Southwest Florida, but the moisture associated with Sarah will be merging with a cold front, and that's what's going to be bringing us some widespread rainfall. So here's a look at next Tuesday. High pressure sitting over the peninsula. That's going to be sliding out to the southeast. Front moving in for our Wednesday, bringing rain and storms our way, and then behind it, dry and cooler conditions for us. You could see that here on your 7 to 10 day forecast, with temperatures low to mid 80s for the next couple of days. And then after that front slides through, temperatures dropping off into the 70s. Well, the latest advisory just came in moments ago with Tropical Storm Sarah going from 45 mile per hour sustained winds dropping to 40 mile per hour winds. Central pressure at 1,001 millibars, moving to the west-northwest very slowly at 5 miles per hour. And because of the very slow forward motion of this system, it is going to be dumping a lot of rainfall over parts of Central America into even portions of Mexico. And that could lead to some flash flooding, mudslides, landslides through the area. You will notice it will be fizzling out as it works its way over land, so it's not going to be a threat to us here in Southwest Florida. But the moisture associated with it will be merging with a cold front that's going to be heading our way as we head into the midweek. So Sarah, actually the 18th named storm of the season. Hopefully we don't have to worry about Tony, Valerie, or William, as we are just a couple weeks away from the end of hurricane season. And as we take a look out in the tropics, you will notice Sarah is the only tropical system that we're currently tracking across the Atlantic, the Gulf, as well as in the Caribbean. As we look ahead to our temperatures, they will be a couple degrees above seasonal for the start of the week. Cold front moves in on Wednesday, and notice how those temperatures will be dropping off into the 70s, well below our seasonal average of 81 degrees. And if we look even further out to the next 6 to 10 days, below average temperature is actually expected for a portion of the southeast, including us here in Southwest Florida, as well as drier than average conditions. As we check in with Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar, you will notice dry across Southwest Florida, and we're looking to remain dry for the rest of this evening. 71 degrees in Immokalee, 68 in Orange Tree, 65 for Babcock Ranch, 67 right now in North Cape Coral, 72 in Bokeelia, 69 in Northport, Newport and 72 degrees right now in Rotunda. As we look ahead to our Sunday, we will just see a few more clouds passing overhead, but still looking to stay dry. It is going to be another nice day to get outside. We'll still have a drier feel to the air. Temperatures will still be mild. Lows starting off in the upper 50s and low 60s right on our seasonal average. And then into the afternoon, again, temperatures just a little bit warmer than normal. Oh, here's a look at your 7 to 10 day forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures, but dry for the start of the week. Cold front moves through Wednesday, bringing some widespread rain and storms. And then behind that front, we're going to be drying out again and temperatures are going to be dropping off.